metamorphosis. I believe I was a different person before I got here, and it's been a long road. There's ups and downs, and I learned a lot, I lost a lot, but most importantly, I became a better person.
我覺得係蛻變啦。澳門大學豐富嘅學術資源同埋獨特嘅書院教育，培養咗我待人接物、獨立思考嘅能力。
我覺得應該是 The best is yet to come， 不斷探索自己的學術旅程，然後被自己心儀的研究生學校錄取。我覺得是不斷追尋更好的自己。
馬不停蹄咧，但係我覺得換嚟嘅就係我哋對於法律啦有充足嘅認識啦，我哋可以做一個以專業嘅態度啦去做一個法律工作者嘅。
我覺得是勇敢。澳大的國際化平台給了我更多的機會和勇氣去探索這個世界。
我覺得我大學4年的生活是波瀾壯闊、抓馬無限。我在澳門大學的生活中遇到了很多好朋友，然後我們一起面對了很多困難，最後都解決了，所以感覺人生非常豐富啊。
It would be breakthrough. I have finished a lot of breakthroughs during my 4 years of undergraduate study. I have break through some comfort zones and my upper limits, some stereotypes, and I really enjoyed it.
首先係迷茫啦。但係第二個都係憧憬啦，畢業其實唔係一種好大壓力嘅事嘅，咁我都祝大家可以喺未來嘅道路上想乜有乜啦。
So I'd like to say that everyone here is very nice, including the staff, the professors, and my friends. So I think I got a very valuable experience here. I love UM.